Hello. Hello. Good morning to everybody. My name is Sahasra. I am studying 8th class in Srirama High School, Motarka. My village name is Motarka. Those are my friends. Her name is Monica and her name is Pavani. Today we will make this project. This project name is fire detection alarm. So my friend is about this project. Aim.
We have selected this project because when we're sleeping night, homes or hotels etc. suddenly leak the gas, burns things, so that time fire detection alarm alert the buzzer come to out safely. So we make this project. Now she was about tell these project components.
In this project we have two components. Explain in these 6 components. Arduino, flame sensor, LED, buzzer, power supply, jumper wires. Now she was tell about this procedure.
Flame sensor is connected to Arduino board. LED is connected to Arduino board. Buzzer is connected to Arduino board. Now she was tells about this project advantages.
To provide the alarm and light, for example, homes, hotels, restaurants, etc. Now she was about in this project advantages.
In this we have to project 5 bonds. 5 bonds this home or hotels, so that time is by born in our home or hotels, so that this alarm was RL buzzer. Now she was tell about output in this one.
Battery is connected to Arduino board to the power circuit.
I'm a project, na?
This project
I'm given to the
I am given to the project file.